Alam mo bang hindi mo kailangan ng mas maraming clients para kumita ng mas malaki? I discovered Vilfredo Pareto. Isa siyang famous Italian economist. No? Sabi niya na 80% ng yaman daw sa Italy only came from just 20% of the population. And it's crazy kasi you can actually see the same pattern almost everywhere. No? 20% of the apps on your phone will usually use 80% of the time. At sa negosyo, 80% of your results actually come from just 20% lang of your efforts. And that's when I discovered na 80% of your income is likely coming from just 20% of your clients. Ang problema sa maraming entrepreneurs, masyado silang nakafocus sa dami ng clients. Kasi masarap pakinggan na marami akong customers. Pero ang totoo, maraming clients ang walang capacity na magbayad. At madalas, sila pa yung masakit sa ulo. Kaya kung gusto mong lumaki ang kita mo nang hindi ka na burn out, check your top customers. Yung may capacity magbayad. Yun yung nagbibigay ng malaking value sa negosyo mo. You don't need to serve everyone. You just need to focus on the 20% of the clients that will give you 80% of your revenue. This is Fibo Lim, and if you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.